Licensure examination for teachers.
8. Which of the following sentences is the last certain? D. She may leave tomorrow. D. She may leave tomorrow. 9. The class valedictorian showed composure as she delivered her speech in front of the graduating batch. Composure means B. Calmness. Composure, calmness. Among the given words below, which one has the ZH sound? Vision. ZH sound, vision. Who is considered as the proponent of Sala Theater? Nati Rogers. Laging tandaan, na kapag Arena Theater, Severino Montano. Kapag Sala Theater, Nati Rogers. 12. The Greek goddess Aphrodite is known for her unquestionable pulchritude. The underlined word means beauty. Pulchritude, beauty. My father is not anywhere complaining about the harsh New York winter. He lives in Florida now. He lives in Florida now. 14. The phrase red letter day is an example of idiom. Red letter day, idiom. The aristocratic leader was ousted from his position because the people discovered a frivolous way of leadership.